Hi, this video is second part of the business process of S4 HANA, which recently I have prepared. If you have not checked that previous video, so first complete that video, and then continue with this one. So you will find the link in the description, and also you will find in the I button.
So when you are going to create GR, then that time your accounting entry will be this one, and your raw material stock is going to debit, and GRIR account is going to credit. This is on continuation of your yesterday one. So raw material stock is going to debit and GRIR is going to credit. And here we have seen if the variance will be there, price difference will be there, then separate accounting document will be there. But everything here you are going to have under AC document. So like so far we have seen all process, whether it is a direct posting with cost object or month-end activities. So everything part of your universal journal AC document. Now also we are going to continue seeing. So this GR document is part of your MAT doc, but with reference to GR document, whatever the accounting document, one or multi, everything should be part of your universal journal. Vendor invoice, again, there is no difference. So it is same like your ECC. That means you are going to debit the GRIR. And credit the AP. So here again you will have credit. You will have earlier what happened in ECC we have BSEC accounting. Then you have open item BSIK. But this will be part of your AC doc. You got some hints during our receivable and customer invoice process. And payment is purely from finance. This will be again, if let's say here you're going to have the vendor or AP is going to debit, and your bank is going to credit. So in ECC you will have BSEC plus clear item BSAK. Now this will be part of AC doc. Okay, just follow the business process. So like you can see, everything is part of your universal journal. Now if it is goods issued, again when you are going to issue the goods, production order will be there. So if you are going to issue one goods, so production order will be linked. Let me show you one. First let's see the ECC one. So what is the process here? That means with reference to one production order, we created one production order, and with reference to that production order, we are issuing some goods to the production or to factory so that material consumption will be there. Right, so here you can see with reference this production order, this is one production order. So here some activities are there, and who is responsible for production order? Again, logistic people, production people, they are going to do. So with reference to this production order, we will see with reference to this production order whether any accounting document is there or not, or if there any accounting document, how many accounting document will be there. So let's say that. Material consumption, you can also process without production order. Like without production order you can issue the goods by using any different cost object just to have the impact of your integration. But the current process is production order should be created, production order should be confirmed, should be released. First it should be created, then it should be released, then it should be confirmed, and we are going to issue the goods movement will be there. Now let's see here. Right, so let's take one item here. Now you can see production order is 60006 188. Actually, this is not the production order, it is the finished stock 688. Yeah, this one. Right. So here you can see 14 units we are going to issue to production, and let's see whether it is same or not. So with reference to production order, your original document will be the logistic document. Okay, so we are going to here issue 140 units. So why it is 140 and all, it is linked with your cost calculation. So this is for production order for semi-finished stock, and here we are consuming raw materials. So as per the bill of material, so how many raw materials will be consumed? Again, it is as per the cost bill of material input data. So it is not like this 14 units. 14 units your semi-finished stock, but it is raw material. Okay, so you can see raw material one. This is semi-finished stock one. So it's a different one, but related to this production order. So if we are going to issue this material with reference to this production order, so what should be your accounting document? Accounting document, as usual, consumption is going to debit and stock is going to credit. Then you will have one document for your material ledger for your inventory valuation point of view. So 140 kg of raw material we are going to consume. So all the details are available here. I'm not going to take into any detail because dedicated topics are there. So I'm just giving you overview. Then you can see controlling document. So this is nothing but, now if you see the table point of view, this is your BSEC, this is your COEP, this one is your MLIT, right? So here you can see this is your controlling document generated case B5, and here some material movement is there. So that means in ECC, see there is no difference from the accounting entry point of view. So whatever earlier it was there, now also it is the same. So that means here you can see consumption account is going to debit, and the credit will be raw material stock. If we are consuming raw material, this accounting impact nothing, like it will, you will find same accounting entry in ECC and same accounting entry in S4 also. But if we go to the table, so how many accounting document will be updated here? So you will have one accounting document, your accounting document, that is your BSIC, one document for CUEP controlling document, and one for your MLIT. Multiple documents are there, one for accounting, one for cost object, and one for MLIT. So here what is your cost object? Production order is your cost object. Okay, so your production order, this one. Now if in S4 then it will be again AC docket. So in AC docket you are going to have all the informations. Let's take one document from S4. Here also if you see, let's say this is the production order, right? So with reference to this production order, if any material movement is there or not. Now if I will check the accounting entry, you won't get any difference. Everything is the same. Okay, so this one is your GT9 is your company code in S4, and this one is your accounting entry in is ECC TY06. See, raw material consumption debited and raw material stock. Raw material consumption debited, raw material stock credited, right? So it is your ECC one. Let me do one thing. Let me add here. Now you can link this one. So this is nothing but your integration. So that means we have assigned this stock account, stock credit here under BSX as usual, and this is your offsetting account which we have assigned under GWP. Now let's see whether is there any change in the integration here. I can see here accounting entries are same, but let's see the transaction. Absolutely no change. You can see here stock account BSX and your offsetting account GWB. So that's why I'm saying integration point of view, there is no change, just copy paste. Only impact you will get, the difference will be there. So integration same steps, everything is same. Under OBYC you are going to do this integration setting. So whatever you are doing in ECC, same, just repeat in S4. Right, so you can see here raw material stock, this one there. So accounting point of view, I'm not getting any difference here. Let's say we will go to the table. Now let's first find out the table here in ECC. Okay, so this one, this one is my ECC1 TY06, the reference company code. Check the document number 10002. 10002, which company code it is? Sorry, it's not ECC system, it is S4 system. Right, this is your basic. Here you can see only accounting information you can get here, like which account is going to debit. So your material account is, sorry, GL account is going to debit 81, right? So consumption, so this one is going to debit and this one is going to credit, material is going to credit. No information about other areas like your material ledger or your cost object. Now if I will go to COEP, now check your controlling document 112. Now here I can see the controlling document separately generated and I can here get the cost object. So this is your order. So if we are going to check COEP, earlier from COEP what we used to get? Cost center as your cost object. Now we can see the order which is generated from the production system and it is updated here. Okay, so but I need to refer one more table. Try to get the difference. Okay, and here if I will go to the MLIT, now here you can see the inventory informations are there. Okay, now let's find out same information from the AC doc. Okay, so this is our S4 system. 49005. Right, now execute. So without checking any information, I can say here all the informations are available here, because you can see coin is updated. That means something related to costing or controlling information is there, plus MKPF information is also there. Now let's go into detail. Okay, so all the informations you are going to get it from here. First, let's see how many documents are generated. Okay, with this. Controlling as per the concept cryptic. Earlier also we have seen the cryptic document, and here also the same logic. That is why we got the cryptic document. Material ledger, separately one document generated. I will show you another document, similar transaction, cost consumption, but you won't get the material ledger. But here it is updated. But that information we are going to get it from the AC doc. Okay, so right now I'm in AC doc, so you can see all the informations related to your inventory, related to your normal accounting posting, related to your cost object. So all the informations are readily available. So this is your quantity 84, what it may be consumed. Let's see here. Yeah, right. So then price, if you go to price, so what is your consumption? This one is relevant entry with reference to this production order. So 84, and this is the closing inventory. We are looking for 4,200. Yeah, 4,200. In company code, material due as per the material ledger settings as per company code. And if I will change here from company code currency to group currency, then you can see 55.45. So all the informations are readily available in our AC docket table. So no need to check multiple tables like your ECC, and no issue will be there for the reconciliation point of view. So everything is available here. So this is the benefit of maintaining universal journal. Your entire business process is part of your universal journal. So whether it is procurement, whether it is invoice, or it is material consumption, everything. Okay, now quickly come to this order to cash. So if it is order to cash, again sales order point of view, there will be no accounting document will be generated if we are not going to include the predictive accounting. But if you are going to include predictive accounting with reference to sales order, will be accounting entries will be there. So from 1909 we have a new insert here, or new feature is available. No, sorry, this is not S4, it is SCC1. Let me log off this one then. Predictive accounting. So if you are going to configure predictive accounting, then with reference to sales order, accounting entries will be there, and those entries will be part of your AC doc. But for that, some prerequisites, some configuration settings are there. But to make it standard, let's take with sales order, no accounting document. It was not there in ECC. Now also it is not there in your S4. If we are going to ignore the predictive accounting, then outbound delivery. So when you are going to do the outbound delivery, what will be your accounting entry? So accounting entry is going to have, again, here we are going to use the standard cost, and the accounting entry will be your COGS is going to debit, and the credit will be FG stock. No difference in your accounting entry, but difference will be there when you are going to have this accounting entry. What are the tables or what are the documents will be there? So right now I don't have ECC data, so I can't show you, but you just link this one with your system. So you will find here with reference to outbound delivery, first of all there will be no COPA. No, only accounting document you are going to get here, and there will be no profitability analysis with outbound delivery. You are not going to have any impact in your COPA. Only accounting document will be there, plus material ledger document will be separately. It is going to update. Okay, so that means I can say here PSEC and your MLIT. No COPA. Okay, so COPA not applicable. Now, if you are going to do this outbound delivery, then let's see what will happen. Okay, so this one I can show you. So here you can see something is updated 8000, document number 49001. Now let's go to the COPA report and we will find out whether it is updated or not. This is my operating concern, and which COPA we are going to refer? Account based. In ECC must working on costing based COPA, but here we are going to work on account based COPA. Multiple entries are there, you just ignore. We are looking here, which one we are looking for here? We are looking for the outbound delivery, and your outbound delivery is maybe this one. Okay, so take anything, any amount. So here, main thing is we are going to look here the account number 1005. So it should be there 1005. Yeah, it's there 1005. It is there, and here it is. Okay, leave this document. This again, it is linked with another concept, that is your COGS splitting. So right now it is very difficult to explain you. You just come to this one, this entry. This is another one. So here 16,000 is updated. So, but it is there. It is there in your outbound delivery account. Sorry, this one. Account number is 1005. COGS account is updated. And what is the value here? 9212134. Okay, and this one, some difference is there. Let's find out. No, it's not difference. You can see 921234, 921234. Okay, so same amount is also there here. Okay, so check this one. Now here, what is the document number here? As per the same concept, again here also cryptic document. Okay, so whether my characteristics are updated or not, as per the general concept of profitability analysis, is there. My characteristics are also updated. So profitability analysis point of view, everything is there. And the good thing is that now with a reference to this, my profitability analysis or COPA line item generated. Now we will see whether this document will be part of your AC docket or not. Four nine double zero two. Yeah, here it is there. Okay, so this item is there, which includes everything. So I'm not focusing more on the accounting part. Obviously, accounting information will be there. We will check the other areas whether it is updated or not. Okay, so here I'm trying to get the characteristics and value characteristics from here in the from the table. Okay, let's find out. So what was our characteristics? Characteristics was, let's check once again. From this report, your characteristics was, one is customer 31 and the product is 130. So I will find out whether these two characteristics are there in my AC docket table or not. Okay, let's find out. I can get the values, informations, accounting informations in company code currency, in group currency, global currency it is available, but I'm looking for the characteristics. Quantities are also available. Okay, inventory currency, that is part of your material ledger. But I'm looking for characteristics. Okay, so one you can see 130, one of the characteristics, another characteristics 31. So same also it was there 31 and 130. So this is also part of your universal journal. So along with your accounting information, now in ECC you can see separate tables are there, BSEC, MLIT, then your COPA means it's not the table, it maybe you will find the table C4, then X. So those tables, now everything is part of your AC doc. Okay, so but again here profitability analysis is not applicable. Unfortunately, I don't have any ECC document for this one. So this one also simplified and all the informations will be part of your AC doc. Billing document already like a similar sort of document you have seen this one, but again this will be the simple one. Your customer is going to debit. So not only customer, multiple entries will be there. Customer is going to debit, your sales reduction will be there, tax will be there, okay, and your revenue is going to have a credit entry. Sales will have a credit entry. Let me check one document. Right, this is the document. So this document is generated with reference to your original document, that is your billing document, which is part of your integration or FISD integration. Okay, so due to this your accounting document generated. So account document is 14001. Now here with this document, this is your accounting document. You can see multiple line entries are there, and in ECC you will find this entry in your BSEC, and this open item, this one. So this open item will be part of your BSID. So that means with outbound delivery, so your table is going to update like your BSEC, then you have BSID, open item. Now here everything will be part of AC doc. This type of document already we have seen here. So if I will check this one, what was the document number? 14001. Okay, so you can see this one is there, and separately no need to check the open item. So here you will get the open item information. Now it is cleared already. It's clearing information should be there. So you can see the clearing date and clearing document information is there. So that is also again part of your AC doc. Collection, you know, it will be part of your like finance, and here we are going to have the your incoming bank is going to have a debit entry, and your credit will be your customer or receivable. So this will be also there. One item left, if we will check this production receipt. So with reference to again production order, if you are going to have the goods inflow, then it should be part of your AC doc, okay, or not. Okay, so similar document is there in ECC. First let's see, then we will come here. This is the production order 5787. So with this production order, we are going to receiving 2 units. No, delivered 1 units. 1 unit confirm. Let's see. Now here, what will be your accounting entry? Your accounting entry inflow of material. So let's say FG stock is debited and credit will be stock adjustment, change in stock, this one. Okay, so here FG stock debited and your change in stock credit. Now with reference to this, how many accounting documents are there? Six 190 the order. Six, yeah, this one. So with reference to this production order 60006 190, this accounting with this is your order. This is your original document, which is your logistic document processed in the logistic system, and this is your accounting entry. Now you can see how many accounting entries. First, if you see the accounting entries, FG stock debit inflow and credit is your change in stock. Now, how many accounting documents are generated? Again, multiple documents: accounting document, controlling document, and your material ledger document, right? So here multiple documents are there, and in S4 you will find it should be part of your AC doc, everything. Let's find out one document from there. Which are not required. Let me close it, otherwise it is creating confusion. Okay, 205 is your production order. With reference to this, the accounting document. So here minus entries are there, that is outbound delivery, but we will take only the inflow entries. Okay, now which one is your inflow? I guess this one. Let me check once. One triple zero two zero five. 1000205. So with reference to this production order, this is your logistic document processed. Okay, so how many quantities? Yeah, 3 quantities. Here also it is confirmed. Yes, 3 quantities are there. Now with reference to this production order, this logistic document processed, and with reference to this logistic document, what is the accounting document? You won't get any changes. So if this stock debit, change in stock credit, just now we have seen in your ECC, it is same accounting entry. But if we go to the multiple documents, so here you are going to have, now see, accounting document is there, controlling document is cryptic, material ledger activated with actual costing, so that is document is also there. But if we will check here 5003, we are going to have all the informations. 5003. Right, so you can see all informations are available here. This one, change in stock. Three items. Actually, this we have to go to price, and this one already revised calculation done. 13,818.51. Same information is there or not? And I was talking yesterday the standard price. You can see standard price is remains same. Here we revised the price calculation. So actual price is calculated, then all the month end activity is done here. But you can see the price is still updated with the old price. This is the price from where we got this price. This price we got it from the standard price calculation. So this will not change. Okay, so this is your material which is calculated in the system, maybe in beginning or like this prices remains same, but right now you can see actual costing done. Okay, so if I will go to this one 46106, this price is updated, but if I will go to the production order, you will find that it's changes are there. Okay, so in this process, in this segment, we have seen the entire business process overall theoretically. Okay, and for this, what are the configurations? So what is the output? What we found? We found that business process will remain same, whether it is ECC or S4. Integration also same. Your accounting entries are also same. There is no difference in both the systems, but we found the simplification. So that here we found the entire business process is part of your AC docket, whether it is cost calculation, whether it is all the transactions, different like your procurement, your sales, your production receipt, goods issue, then your standard cost, your actual cost. So everything is part of universal general, and for everything we are referring only one table, AC docket. So that's why we can say as business process, if all business process part of AC docket, and only we have only one accounting document is enough for everything, then simplification like it is simple, and reconciliation will be an issue will not be there because all the informations are available in AC docket, which initially we discussed. So that is the purpose here. Okay, now for this, what is the prerequisite? Now you can see this is the actual costing which is calculated. New price is updated, so you can see the target cost is updated, but still at your material ledger level, the standard price is updated. For this prerequisite, you should have the logistic settings should be there. The complete logistic settings like your like your SD, like your production, all the integration must be there. Your FIMM, FISD, PPCO, then the complete logistic settings with integration, and of course your finance settings will be there. Then only the process is going to work. Once we are going to perform the logistic activities, user activities, we will get the accounting informations too. Similarly, if you are going to do some CO month-end activities, you are going to have this accounting informations also will be there. Okay, for example, right now you have not seen it. I'm going to show you. If you know the actual costing, you must have idea. When you are going to perform a lot of month-end activities, some let me go to the document. I will show you one document so that you can get the idea. So I'm trying to search some finance document related to controlling. We know if you are going to do something controlling, then finance document will be there. So I'm trying to search here as usual our old document type CO, and I will execute it here. So in this list, you can see multiple documents are there. Okay, so let's check one document. Let's take this document. To understand this document, you have to follow the complete flow, complete process. This is the final output document which is generated in finance, but you have to understand the process completely. So what I did here, I created one production order. This is my production order 1000203. That is the first step. With reference to production order, then we confirm the production order. That is the next step. This will be not part of your ACD, okay, because it's logistic activity. So we confirmed production order. So here you can see, although we created the production order for 18, but assume that this month everything will not be completed. So we confirmed only 14 units. So this is production order confirmation. With reference to this one, there should be some material issue should be there. So if you go to the goods movement, this is your production order. If you go to the goods movement, you can see here we have issued here material number 142 14 kg 14 items, material number 126 84 kg. That is the goods movement we did, or material issued. This is nothing related to this one, okay, this step. Now if we are going to doing this one, is there any accounting impact will be there? Check here. So first of all, with reference to this, that was your logistic. This one is your logistic. This is your material movement. Check this one. Okay, so 84 units issued to production. So this is your material document generated, material document. With reference to this, is there any accounting document should be there? You can see here accounting document. So this is what? This is your accounting point of view or consumption account. So this consumption account debited raw material consumption and raw material stock. Raw material consumption debit, raw material stock credit, and this one already verified in your AC docket. Let me show you once again 49005. Okay, so it is there. So with reference to that, your production order, everything will be there. I don't want to go on once again. So you can see coin transaction is there, material ledger is there, MKPF is there. Now back to entry. So first production order confirmed, material movement, and accounting document. Next, not only when you are going to do the cost calculation, you don't have material, you have activities also. So check here, controlling document. So here what we did, okay, so here first as a part of your cost calculation, we have calculated the cost per hour cost and 40 hours activity we are going to consume here. So this is my machine activity. So 40 hours and its corresponding cost. So 120 USD, 120 USD we are going to transfer. So initially from where we are going to get the activity price? Of course from the controlling. From activity type, sorry, this is not activity type, this one is your activity type and this is your cost center. Okay, so the activity price we got it, this 120 we got it, or initially you can say the CEO people they have calculated here with reference to this activity, with reference to this cost center. Okay, so you can, if you see this one, you will get the list of activity type what I am using here. This one we are referring right now 9001, and with reference to, so with these two combination this is calculated. Okay, so here how it is calculated, it is calculated with this cost center and with this 9P01 is my cost center and 9001 is my activity type. So this is calculated, the per unit per hour cost calculated, and accordingly this price is also calculated here. So it is as per this calculation, all these formulas random, it is calculated 120 USD. Okay, it is calculated. Now whatever is calculated at this level, initially it is calculated. So this is step one, it is calculated here. Now what we will do, the end result we will transfer to product, but directly we are not going to transfer to the product. We are transferring this one, this value 120, we are transferring to order. From cost center we are transferring to order. Okay, so this is the cost element we are using for this one. And now you can see the minus entry and 120 is your plus entry. If it is AC system, the process will stop here. With reference to this controlling, there will be no accounting document will be there. Now, with reference to this accounting, this document, controlling document 1 or 3, you can see one accounting document is generated. So that is the document that time we derived. This one. Document number 20005, and the nature of this document again know already, that is the document type CO. Document type CO. How this one is derived? Due to the price calculation, right? And it is only in the GL view, it is not there in your entry view. Okay, so it is there in your GL view. That means if I will check FBL3N, I am not going to get anything related to this one. So if I will check account number 3002, okay, so you can see here it is my activity cost, nothing. But if I will go to the GL view, so this should be there. Okay, so what is that? 120. So somewhere this cost is minus, somewhere it is plus. So the minus entry, check this entry, 7646.40. The minus entry is your cost center, that is your cost object, and the plus entry to the production order. So that means cost transferred from one cost object to another cost object, and that is why these accounting documents or these line entries are there. Okay, check. Same we did in controlling. Now you should have same impact in the finance. So the minus entry cost center and the plus entry production order 1000203. So with reference to the production order, we updated or we derived all the logistic document. With reference to the logistic document, we derived the finance document. With reference to that, if any controlling document is there, then it should be there. Now, if the entire process will be part of your AC docket or not, of course, the logistic part will not be there in the AC docket, but all the finance document should be part of your AC docket. Now, if you particularly if you check this document, so here how many accounting documents are there? Here you have one document is this one. One document is material movement 49005 plus along with this, due to this process, this calculation, whatever the CO document is generated, so one more document is also generated for controlling point of view 20005. Let's find out this is also there or not. One document 49 something was there, right? Four, yeah, no, not this one. 49005. This is integrated document, or due to integration we derive this document. 49005. Another document which is generated 20005. Okay, let's find out this document. So if we'll check this 49005, so what is the origin of this document? Of course, the logistic document. So you can see here, this document is reference document is your logistic document, MATDOC document. If you'll see the 20005 document, which is CO2 FI entry 20005. So how this document is generated? This document is generated due to the cost calculation 1004. So 1004 is nothing but this document due to internal cost calculation 1004. Okay, so both your integration one and this cost calculation one is part of your universal journal. Like this is only one example I have taken here. Like this, the entire process will be there in the AC document, which we will do.